Hey everyone, my name is Miguel Meneses, and I'm the engineer and support technician here at Delta Scientific. Today's maintenance tip video will be all about bushings and making sure that your bushings are checked or added to your maintenance routine to ensure that no issues arise down the line with your barrier. For example, here we have a DSC 7090, which has a bushing right here at the top of the hydraulic cylinder. You want to make sure not just this barrier, on any of your barriers, anywhere that has a bushing, that they are checked periodically. Over time, bushings do wear out, especially at places with heavy use of the barrier. When inspecting any of your bushings on any of your barriers, you want to see if there's an excess amount of bushing shavings around the area where this would be located. So for example, a bushing here located, you probably see shavings down here on the bottom of the frame of your actual barrier. If you end up seeing excess amounts of bushing shavings, that should give you a sign that that bushing should be replaced here soon. If not, you end up getting not just a messed up bushing, but also a failed component, which is, for this example, the hydraulic cylinder. And now you're out a bushing and a hydraulic cylinder overall.
Drop a comment below with the question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.